If you were to ask me before we had this conversation, what exercise are we going to circle around in this particular conversation? It was not like preacher curls, but what the heck? Let's go with it. I'm just intrigued by your focus with the biceps and triceps.
As far as from a rehab perspective, there's a lot of issues that can be overcome by working on triceps. Essentially, it is the pushing part of the arm. And most people are very weak in the way they can push something. They might end up using a lot of neck to end up pushing. So I would say the tricep is a pretty big deal for a lot of shoulders, biceps and triceps. And I've seen rotator cuff, as we see more, to be less and less of a big deal.
That is so awesome because for me, I go down, I don't go out the arm in my mind, but now I'm going to because of you. So thank you for that gift. I usually go toward the torso and down to the hips. Like rotator cuff should decelerate with rotation,